Welcome to a world where imagination meets reality. Today, we're diving into some of the most mind-blowing inventions you won't believe actually exist. Prepare to be amazed. Imagine a world where your every need is anticipated by AI, where you can print a new organ, or even communicate with your pet using a device. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, these incredible inventions are not just dreams anymore. They're here, and they're transforming our reality. Stick around because what you're about to see will blow your mind. First up, we have autonomous drones designed to deliver packages right to your doorstep. Companies like Amazon and Google are already testing these high-tech couriers that could soon make same-day delivery the norm. These drones use advanced AI to navigate and avoid obstacles, ensuring your package arrives safely and efficiently. No more waiting for days, just click, order, and receive. Next, let's step into the realm of medical miracles. This is a 3D bioprinter, capable of creating human tissues and organs. Imagine a future where organ transplants don't require donors because we can print a new heart or liver on demand. This technology is paving the way for groundbreaking advancements in healthcare, potentially saving countless lives and revolutionizing medicine as we know it. Ever wished you could understand what your pet is thinking? Meet the pet communication device. Using advanced algorithms and sound recognition, this gadget translates your pet's sounds into human language. Imagine knowing exactly what your furry friend wants or feels at any moment. This invention is bringing us closer to our pets than ever before. Welcome to the home of the future. Smart homes equipped with interconnected devices that anticipate your needs are no longer a fantasy. From adjusting the thermostat before you get home to brewing your morning coffee as you wake up, these homes offer ultimate convenience and efficiency. These homes learn your habits and preferences, making everyday living smoother and more enjoyable. Lastly, let's explore innovations making our world greener. This solar-powered car is not only eco-friendly, but also a glimpse into a sustainable future. Powered entirely by the sun, it reduces carbon emissions and dependence on fossil fuels. With advancements like these, we're moving towards a cleaner, more sustainable planet, one innovation at a time. These incredible inventions are just the beginning. As technology continues to evolve, who knows what other amazing creations await us? If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more mind-blowing content. Let us know in the comments which invention amazed you the most. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Amazing Innovations.